Meet Jane. She's travelling for business next week. Luckily, she has Sam, the pocket travel assistant. It looks like Jane's business trip is going to be longer than expected, so she will need more than just her hand luggage. Luckily, Sam can put her in touch with her consultant, who adds her baggage so Jane is prepared to travel. Jane's trip is almost a week away, but since it's never too early to start planning, Sam sends Jane a city guide with useful info. Orientation from the airport, local transport, currency, restaurants, and even sightseeing. Three days before the flight, Sam sends Jane the weather forecast so she knows what to pack. It looks like she won't need that umbrella after all. The night before her flight, Jane is ready to travel, but she still needs to check in. Sam notifies her when it opens. 2 taps later, check-in is done. To make sure Jane is on time for her flight, Sam reminded her when to leave for the airport and even sent her an updated traffic report. Relaxing in the cab, Jane knows she has plenty of time. On the day of her travel, Jane receives regular updates on the status of her flight. Sam is smart and wants to be your pocket travel assistant.